back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a FabFitFun unboxing video. This is the fall/autumn box, however you guys like to call this season. I don't really know. I usually say both. It really depends on the context. I'm so excited. I always film these videos, and if you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription service. So you pay $50 and you get over $250 worth of items. This is what the box looks like for this season. It is so cute. I love the vibrant orange color. I just love how they always use vibrant colors for their boxes. It's always just such an eye pleaser. It just gets you in the fall feels. And if you guys are new here on my channel, my name is Leilani, and I would love if you guys can click that subscribe button down below. I upload a new video every Wednesday and Saturday, so I'm always coming out with new content for you guys. So make sure you click the subscribe button down below and turn on that post notification bell. And let's just dive into this box, because I'm so excited to see what is inside. Ooh, this is the inside of the box. As you can see, it's blue. And then on top, it has the magazine, which this box always comes with a magazine, because they just give more information and details about the products that you received. So I'm not gonna look at this just yet because I don't want to spoil the surprises. But I got a $50 gift card for HelloFresh. I feel like I have so many of these because of college, because I order my textbooks from Chet and they always give these gift cards. So I probably have like $300 worth of gift cards, but I still haven't used it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for everything. Wow, I see some really cool items in here. One of them is food, so I'm pretty excited. This is the Luna Rica Salted Caramel Nut Bar. It's a fruit and nut bar. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. I can eat this on the go for breakfast, because I feel like I never have breakfast foods in my house. It's so bad. Oh, and I forgot to mention to you guys, because in every single box, they donate some of the proceeds to a foundation or a charity. So this one is the Right Action for Women, Christina Applegate Foundation. Next, I see wireless earbuds. I'm so excited. I can't wait. FabFitFun, they'll send you an email saying oh, if you want, you can pick 3 items, I'm pretty sure. You get options and then you get to pick 3 of them. So I filled it out and I was like, ooh, I really need wireless earbuds because my phone is the iPhone 8 and I can't use normal earbuds, and it's so frustrating because all I want to do is listen to music when I'm going to class or something, or listen to a podcast while I'm walking. And now I have wireless earbuds. I'm actually so excited. This is so exciting. Yay! So they're Cobra wireless earbuds, like I said before, and they are worth $40. So next we have this Skin & Company Blue in Capri Shower Gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. Interesting. So like I said before, it is a shower gel, which is really nice. It'll make me smell nice and fresh. And this is $22. You can use this as a shower gel or a bubble bath. Next we have this Simply Whimsical towel. Ooh. What's this for? Just anything? Let's see. It says, oh, tea towels? Interesting. It says this set features 2 playful gray patterns that are sure to perk up your mood every time you walk into the kitchen. And this is worth $14.99. Ooh, I have not just 1, but 2 bubble sheet masks by this company called Glam Glow, and it is a oxygenating deep cleanse mask. That is pretty cool, and it is worth $18. I've always wanted to use a bubble mask, so I should probably use this, because ever since I got back to college, I just feel like I'm surrounded by germs and my skin is not as clear as it once was. So this is a polishing facial exfoliant. It has pink grapefruit and glucomannan extract. Don't really know what that is, but okay. It says it's a gentle skin polishing exfoliant formulated for daily use to gently delaminate dry and dead skin cells and stimulate cell regeneration. Facial skin is left looking radiant, calm, and smooth, perfectly prepared for moisturizing. That product is worth $67. Whoa, that's crazy. Next, I got this Touch in Soul Metalist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo. So it's a dual-ended lip kit featuring a rich metallic matte shade and matching glitter gloss for a buildable, bold lip look. Ooh, so this is what the packaging looks like. And like I stated before, it is dual-ended. It's not really something I would go, like, grab for, I guess, but I guess it's pretty. I don't really think I'm going to use it. I'll probably see if my mom wants it. Ooh! Next, I got this ceramic and stainless steel teapot. I remember picking this because it was either that or a French press, but I was like, I guess I'll get the teapot because I know my mom likes tea. So I feel like we would use the teapot more than the French press because we have a Keurig. Oh, I forgot to state what the lipstick duo was worth, and it is $24.99. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at this teapot. Oh, that's adorable. It's blue and has little pink flowers all over it. Oh, that's so adorable. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so pretty. I'm not much of a tea drinker, but this is still so stinking cute. And this is worth $26. Next, I got a beauty blender by The Original Beauty Blender, which is probably a lot of money. Let's see. It is $20. Yeah, these things are hella expensive. So it's nice and tiny. And then I'm pretty sure there's only one thing left. Oh, I think I did pick this. Wow, this is cute. It's by Vince Camuto. Oh, this is adorable. This is like really cute for like bringing your laptop around. Like, I could just like picture someone using this in New York City, just carrying their work laptop in here. This is really cute. I really like this. Even for like school too, because you just carry around like a few notebooks and stuff, and that can totally fit in here. I mean, I feel like I'm not bougie enough to do that, like wear a purse instead of a backpack to school, but you know, if I'm feeling bougie one day, I might. And this tote is worth $128. Are you kidding me? That's so much. $128. That's insane. That's crazy. And it's made of vegan leather, so you can use a damp cloth to wipe off the dirt. Like, I mean, it's not the best quality though. So that is everything that I got in my FabFitFun box for this season. I'm still super duper shocked. I'm just so happy about the wireless earbuds because, like I said before, I don't have any for my iPhone 8, and it's a little frustrating when I just want to, you know, have some downtime and listen to music in between classes, and I can't do that because I don't have wireless earbuds, but now I do. So very grateful for this month's box, or not this month's, this season's box. I feel like the months go by so fast. Like whenever I get my FabFitFun box, I'm like, wow, I feel like I just filmed this video like last week, and now here we go, onto the fall box. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please leave me your video requests down below. I would love to know what you guys want to see. So just, you know, hit your girl up. Just leave those comments down below. So that is it with this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!